Imagine having this beautiful playground right in your backyard for your kids to burn off energy on a daily basis. Well, you can have it right now, right here in Coquitlam City Center. I'm Jim.
And my name is Ann, and we have the perfect family home right here in MEADOWBROOK neighborhood to show you today. Welcome to 852 Green Street, Coquitlam. This two-story home has been completely renovated top to bottom. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 1,500 square feet of living area.
And is located here in the MEADOWBROOK neighborhood where you're centrally located to everything. Amenities, parks, restaurant, and more, and we can't wait to give you a tour.
As you walk through the front door, you'll find a newly updated kitchen with quartz countertop and backsplash and porcelain tile floors. The large windows invite plenty of natural lights throughout the kitchen and house. Entering this bright and airy living room, you'll notice a beautiful feature wall with a fireplace perfect for gathering during the holidays. Enjoy a delicious meal with your loved ones around the spacious dining room. This floor also has a large bedroom which can be used as a guest room or even a work-from-home office. After a long and active day in a busy household, your family can rest comfortably in your private sleeping quarters. Upstairs, you'll find your master bedroom oasis with a large ensuite along with 2 more bedrooms and a second full bath. Your perfect family home is centered around amenities such as community centers, restaurants, grocery stores, and the Coquitlam Center Mall is just minutes away. You're also in catchment of choice schools such as Meadowbrook Elementary, Hillcrest Middle School, and Dr. Charles Best Secondary.
And your favorite neighborhood parks like Lions Park, Mundy Park, and Trails are just a short walk or drive away. This home is perfect for you to move in and look at this amazing backyard and balcony. If you want to take a look at this amazing home, feel free to contact Ann or Jim Pham to schedule a viewing.